Imagine being one of the few who saw an opportunity before it exploded, a chance to position yourself ahead of the curve while others stayed on the sidelines. That's exactly where we are in the cryptocurrency market today. While everyone's eyes are on Bitcoin's performance and the hype around Ethereum ETFs, a hidden opportunity is quietly taking shape. And the best part? Most people aren't even paying attention. Here's the secret. We're in the middle of a shift that could define the next wave of crypto growth. Altcoin season is heating up. But this isn't just another cycle. It's a golden window that comes with a proven roadmap. But let's not sugarcoat it. This market isn't for the unprepared. Welcome to the Chainpoint channel. To seize this opportunity, you'll need to understand the dynamics of market cycles, identify high potential assets, and act with strategy. So if you've been waiting for the moment to dive into crypto or level up your portfolio, this is your call to action. Let's uncover what no one else is talking about. But before we continue our talk, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to what is happening on the crypto world. And remember, everything we say here is not an investment advice. Always invest wisely. Let's get started. Every so often, the cryptocurrency market offers a window of extraordinary opportunity, and right now we are in one of those moments. Analysts are calling this phase the most profitable period for the next 3 years. Why? Because the current alignment of market cycles, institutional inflows like the Ethereum ETF, and Bitcoin's steady performance is creating a perfect storm for growth. For savvy investors, this is a rare chance to capitalize on high returns with the right strategy. And what makes this moment so special is timing. Historically, these golden windows don't last long, 3 to 4 months max. Think of it as planting seeds during the perfect season. Miss it and you'll have to wait for the next cycle. With Bitcoin stabilizing after recent highs, the cryptocurrency market is shifting focus toward altcoins, where exponential growth is often seen. This isn't just speculation. It's a pattern we've witnessed across multiple cycles. But you must pay attention. Strategy is everything. Blindly throwing money at random tokens won't cut it. You need to identify projects with real potential. For instance, sectors like gaming and artificial intelligence are outperforming, with historical data showing that 40% of high-performing tokens come from gaming. This is where research pays off. Keep an eye on newer tokens launched during dips or bull market recoveries. They're statistically more likely to deliver outsized returns. The beauty of this phase lies in its diversity of opportunities. Whether you're drawn to safer plays like Ethereum ETFs or riskier bets in emerging altcoins, there's something for every type of investor. And with altcoin season heating up, things are just getting started. Altcoin season is in full swing, and the numbers don't lie. 88% of altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin in recent weeks. This isn't just a coincidence. It's a recurring phenomenon in the cryptocurrency market. When Bitcoin's price stabilizes or shows modest growth, altcoins tend to steal the spotlight. For investors, this means a critical window to explore tokens with the potential for exponential gains. Timing, as always, is everything. To understand why this happens, let's break down the market cycles into 2 main phases. The first is Bitcoin season, where Bitcoin leads the market with significant growth. This phase attracts more conservative investors, offering modest yet stable returns. Once Bitcoin's performance stabilizes, the second phase begins, altcoin season. During this shorter window, 90 to 120 days, investors shift their focus to smaller, riskier assets, altcoins, seeking higher returns. The psychological drivers behind these shifts are fascinating. The wealth effect is a key factor. As Bitcoin's value rises, investors feel wealthier and more willing to diversify into altcoins. Then comes the powerful force of fear of missing out. As altcoins start to outperform Bitcoin, new investors flood into the market, driving demand and pushing prices even higher. This cycle fuels itself, creating the explosive growth we see during altcoin season. Economically, the cycle follows a predictable flow. It begins with capital flowing into Bitcoin, then rotating into Ethereum, and finally spreading to altcoins. Smaller market capitalizations amplify altcoin price movements, making them incredibly attractive for investors seeking rapid growth. Historical data supports this pattern. Past cycles have shown that sectors like gaming and artificial intelligence consistently perform well during altcoin-focused phases. For example, 40% of high-performing tokens in previous cycles came from the gaming sector, while 11% were tied to AI, a trend gaining traction this season. The key to navigating altcoin season lies in understanding these cycles. Investors who strategically time their entry and exit can maximize profits. Keep an eye on newer tokens launched during market dips. They often show outsized performance as the cycle matures. Altcoin season is more than just a numbers game. It's a reflection of market psychology and economic dynamics. With Bitcoin performance steadying and Ethereum ETFs attracting institutional interest, the current conditions are ripe for another robust altcoin rally. The question is, which tokens will lead the charge? Navigating the cryptocurrency market requires more than luck. It demands strategy. With altcoin season in full swing, knowing how to identify high-performing tokens is crucial. The best opportunities often lie in newer projects and emerging sectors like gaming and artificial intelligence. Historical data reveals that 68% of the top-performing tokens in previous cycles were launched during market dips or early bull runs. This means the tokens making waves today likely share a common thread. They're innovative and well-timed. Start by researching projects with strong fundamentals and a clear use case. For instance, AI-focused tokens are capitalizing on a global tech shift, with projects like Fetch AI leading the charge. Its focus on decentralized machine learning and automation is opening doors to a new wave of blockchain-powered applications. These aren't just speculative plays. They're laying the groundwork for real-world adoption, making them a strong contender for long-term growth. Two emerging tokens that have caught the market's attention are Instadapp and Etina, each offering unique opportunities. Instadapp is currently undergoing a rebranding process, positioning itself as a fresh and appealing asset in the DeFi space. Its focus on efficient solutions within networks like Base and Arbitrum gives it a strong narrative. Growth triggers, such as a token rebranding event and an incentive program for token buybacks, are expected to drive significant value in the near future. This combination of a compelling story and concrete actions makes Instadapp a token to watch. Tina, on the other hand, appeals to investors seeking consistent returns. With an annual yield of over 25%, it's a yield-generating powerhouse, especially attractive in uncertain markets. What sets Etina apart is its strategic timing. Launched during the transition from a bear to a bull market, it aligns perfectly with optimal market conditions. An upcoming catalyst, its potential to lock $6 billion in capital, could trigger a significant price rally. For investors looking for income and growth potential, Etina is an intriguing option. Timing remains a critical factor in this market. Use tools like the Altcoin Season Index to gauge sentiment and identify shifts. When altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, it's a clear signal to act. Whether you're exploring AI tokens like Fetch AI, rebranded assets like Instadapp, or yield-featured options like Etina, the key lies in thorough research and strategic diversification. The cryptocurrency market isn't just driven by numbers, it's shaped by psychology and economic cycles. One of the most prominent drivers is the wealth effect. When Bitcoin performs well, its rising value creates a psychological sense of wealth among investors. This newfound confidence often leads them to diversify their portfolios, shifting capital into Ethereum ETFs and riskier altcoins. This pattern fuels the explosive growth observed during altcoin season. Another critical factor is fear of missing out, FOMO. As altcoins begin to outperform Bitcoin, the buzz around these assets attracts a flood of new investors. This heightened demand drives prices even higher, creating a feedback loop of growth. Historical cycles consistently show this trend. The early phase is dominated by Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, and then a wave of interest in smaller cap altcoins. It's a predictable flow that savvy investors can leverage. The economic dynamics behind this cycle amplify altcoin growth. Smaller market capitalizations mean altcoins require less capital to see significant price increases compared to Bitcoin. For example, while Bitcoin might need billions in inflows for a 10% gain, an altcoin with a lower market cap can achieve similar growth with far less investment. This is why altcoin season often sees exponential returns, especially for newer tokens with strong narratives or innovative use cases. Timing your investments to align with these patterns is crucial. Entering the market during Bitcoin's stabilization phase and rotating into altcoins as momentum builds can maximize returns. For instance, the transition from Bitcoin to Ethereum ETFs and finally to altcoins reflects this strategy in action. Recognizing these economic patterns doesn't just help investors make smarter decisions, it turns market cycles into opportunities for significant profit. Building a successful cryptocurrency portfolio during altcoin season requires a blend of strategy, diversification, and timing. You can start by allocating a portion of your portfolio to stable cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These assets provide a solid foundation, ensuring stability while offering exposure to market growth. Ethereum ETFs, for instance, are attracting significant institutional inflows, signaling their potential as a reliable choice for long-term investors. Next, you can diversify into high-potential altcoins. Focus on tokens from emerging sectors such as gaming, artificial intelligence, and decentralized finance. Projects like Fetch AI with its AI-driven applications and Etina, offering over 25% annual returns, are great examples of innovative assets with strong narratives. Diversification across sectors ensures you're not overly reliant on a single market trend, spreading risk while maximizing opportunities. Stay vigilant about token supply dynamics. Many altcoins have yet to release a large portion of their supply, which could dilute their value over time. Research release schedules and avoid tokens with opaque or inflationary supply mechanisms. Finally, always plan your entry and exit strategies. Remember, this was not an investment advice, but only educational information. Whether you're focusing on Ethereum ETFs or exploring smaller altcoins, a disciplined approach is key to navigating the cryptocurrency market with success, and having a clear exit plan ensures you lock in gains and avoid emotional decisions during market volatility. You've just uncovered insights that most people won't see until it's too late. The cryptocurrency market is full of opportunities, but knowing when and where to act makes all the difference. Whether it's leveraging altcoin season, exploring Ethereum ETFs, or diving into innovative tokens, the tools for success are here. What's your next move? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to capitalize on these insights. Thank you for watching this, and don't forget, staying informed is your greatest edge in this fast-moving market. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another opportunity. I will see you in the next video.